If you want to know how to buy shares of Greif Inc., this video will walk you through the process step by step. Greif is an industrial packaging company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GEF, and this guide is educational only, not financial advice. To buy GEF, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to be able to place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GEF to locate Greif Inc. Be sure to select the listing that shows Greif Inc. on NASDAQ to confirm it is the correct stock. On the Greif Inc. asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing and ticker before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to spend, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may remain pending until open, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the transaction. Once executed, your Greif Inc. position will appear in your portfolio view. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same example.